Perfect. All right, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna go over Richard's homework, and then Sadiq, I believe, and then Zafar. He's not here, but we'll go over them. Okay. So USD CAD. All right. All right. His pattern is a W, but that's not a W right there. Level A, level 2. I don't think it's a right pair to trade at all whatsoever. There's no, you can't see any pattern in here. So if you try to make it, it'll fail on you. But for an example, for an instant, if you take this for an example consideration as a level 1, or just take it just because, and you're waiting for an M pattern to form, right? And you consider this as a bottom, right? The V bottom. In this case, yeah, it can be a nice setup. Okay, we just gotta wait for the breakout or something. But remember what I said before, that no W, no trade, and basically I'm going based off that. So if there's an M, yeah, we have to we'll wait and consider, but right now this is no trade zone. So all right, Usdchf. That's too zoomed out, actually. It's very zoomed out. You can go in daily. Yeah. So in daily, yeah, there is an M only, but there's no W level 1, level 2. I mean, excuse me. All right, so on a daily, it's zoomed out, and plus it's only M on a daily. Okay. Now, what the heck? Cancel. What the heck? Cancel. What? Huh? Hold on. There. Okay. Usdchf. All right. GBP USD. All right. So he's bringing the W from kind of, okay. All right. So this is what we expect the price to do, make a W, and then pretty much end up buying on a pullback. So anything that's lower than this zone would be a buy zone. Right there under here is going to be a buy zone. So we just got to wait for it to push up, probably hit the trend line, and then bounce off of it. Probably it might go to the 78.6 retracement. It all depends. Yeah, most likely, but we'll just see. All right. So once the W is finished, then we can end up buying on it, buy this trade. Until then, we just have to wait patiently. This W level is good. His left structure is kind of whacked out, but yeah, that's a good setup he got. Okay, give me a second. Nine 1442626. One second, guys. 1 second. All right, we got gold here. All right, perfect setup. Hello? कौन? हेलो? हाँ, कौन बात कर रहा है? आपने मुझे कॉल किया ना, तो आप बताओ ना कहाँ से कॉल कर रहे हो? All right, guys. Gold, perfect. Okay, CAD, CHF. Watch for the break of trend line. Okay, CAD, CHF. Yeah, basically that's what you were waiting on, the structure. Okay, so that's what we're waiting on. Where do you go? NM. All right, now GBP missed entry. Wait for a new entry. No, actually, let me see. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Okay. Still not there completely yet. Okay, the GBP NZD is not. I'm expecting price to go at least 88.6 and bounce off of it. That's basically my projection. The M is right here, and the divergence is gonna be still there. So I'm still expecting a push up, a divergence. This is not a valid divergence right now since it's this leg is higher. So it needs to break that high, basically. This is the high that needs to be broken right there. So once it breaks that, then you can expect to sell it. Until then, no trade. Let's see. I'm gonna have to give him a markup so he can use it. Copy and GPNZD. Oh, what the heck? Hold on. Edit. Okay, USD. Oh, wow, that's so much. Okay. Peak, 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 peak high. Entry on a break and resets of the structure. All right. That one, usually not 100% sure about this one. There. So here's another analysis. Okay, perfect. All right, now Sadiq, what's his name? Richard. So I did the review on yours. It's good. USDJPY is good. GBP NZD is good also, I believe, but you still have to wait for the larger M. There's no divergence. I mean, you're making it up. Like there's invisible divergence that you're just making it up. So it's not valid. CAD CHF is expected to rise, hit the trend line and rise. Gold, we'll just have to see. I mean, we'll just have to wait and see because it's hitting the 61.8. It did the pattern, but if the pattern fails and it doesn't break the level one structure, for an example, this, like say USD. So if this can be a larger structure like this, and you can expect a W here and a bottom here, second leg right here at the support. If not, just push up. So we will see either or. We'll lose 2%, but we'll know what's going on, so we can catch a bigger trend, or we just make money from this one. We'll just probably like around, I don't even know, 200, and that's 750 pips. Okay, so it's good. So we'll see about that. GBP USD, just wait for the second leg, let it do its thing. Probably next week it's gonna be ready to buy in. All right, so this one is good also. Oh, what the heck? All right, for some reason it's not working right. Okay, USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF, let me see what you're looking at. 240. Okay, well, okay. All right, I'm gonna go on daily and show you guys what I see pretty much. So this is what I see, but I just sold it, just a risky trade, but we'll just have to wait and see. It's a daily pattern, so we'll just have to wait on this one. And you can see there is a daily, do you see this? Trend line hit, a doji on a daily, so that's a good sign. So I expect the price to drop quite a while. All right, now, let's see, GP. All right, USDCHF. All right, so USDCHF is this. All right, there. That's the analysis of USDCHF on a daily time frame. Because 4 hour, it's kind of messy, so you just have to wait. I mean, in a way, I guess, but USDCHF is probably on a daily structure. Is pretty, looks nice on that one. GBP AUD W, you made that there. Level 1, level 2 M. Okay, yeah, GBP AUD looks good. GBP AUD. All right, GBP AUD on a 4-hour structure. There we go, perfect. So we pretty much sold right there. So as you can see, this is the support of an M, right? So now you just have to wait. I mean, it can be this as an M, so it can be a level 1 right here. Did I just move it? Everything? Jesus. Okay, so basically this can be a nice level 1, but we'll just have to wait and see. All right, or it can go just straight down. So you got that part right. That's a good job. Okay, and then Euro GBP. All right, Euro GBP, yeah, M, level 1, level 2, and the W we ended up buying right at the support, and we are still holding this trade till now. Okay, we're still holding this trade, and we are continuing to hold this trade till the pattern finishes. So if it keeps going up, I'm just gonna move my take profit up a little bit. But I believe our stop loss is in profit right now. So going well. With Euro GBP, nice trade on that one. All right, now GBP USD, that's also good. Perfect, I can see it from here. Perfect. All right, now USD JPY, that's also good, but okay, I'll have to show you if you're on here. So you see the trend line that how I drew it, it went straight up, and then that's how you're supposed to draw. You're just drawing the trend line kind of wrong because you're only connecting one dot and one dot here. I mean, you can connect this one too. This is a low, and then that way. Or if it drops, you can still continue to do that, or you can just like continue to drop, whichever, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I mean, and then the level 1 you can expect right around here, around that level. Okay, but this is a V bottom, remember, but it's a risky trade, but we just took it because here's a kind of messed up pattern. But as you can see, this is how the funny part about market makers, right? They give you an M, level 1, level 2, W, right? Level 1, level 2, M, right? They finish the cycle, both sides, right? What they did, they were starting, they just messed it up. This is technical, guys. This part is all technicals. Like technical guys can trade this. Market makers, when they trade this, and look how clean it looks, how crystal clear it looks. Like you just like look at it and like, okay, good. Here it's all messed up, but then now you can see the pattern is starting to form again. So if this continues to drop, it's gonna continue one way down, since this one doesn't count, so it's gonna count from that point to this way, and then you're gonna expect another cycle of WVVM. Got it? So we just have to wait and see if this continues to drop. If it fails, then it's gonna be a chop. It's gonna be a cross, okay? And let's see, GBP NZD. GBP NZD. All right, GBP NZD, you're just saying that, okay, Sadiq, you can do better, boy. Your M is not good at all. That doesn't look like a good M to me at all whatsoever. If you say this to M, yeah, I can agree with you, but that small M, no, you can do better, okay? So, but remember, guys, that the M, the high of the M never got broken, so it's still room to go up. So that's why I'm not gonna sell it yet. And GBP-JPY. All right, GBP-JPY, we are currently on a sell. It's going super fine from the top. We're in deep profit, so I'm expecting a little bit more push down, probably at the 61.8 retracement of a Fibonacci level, but we just have to wait it out and see. Let's see right there. So right around 61.8 would be the perfect number. Okay, W right there, and then push back up. So we can do that, but until then, just gotta wait it out. All right. Now let's see GBP-CHF. All right, GBP-CHF is the same situation. As you can see, it broke the M structure. It made the level 1. You can expect to make a level 2 right around here. All right, and level 3 at the 61.8. So a lot of bounce is gonna be happening at 61.8. So keep that in mind. and Nzdusd. I think I took a hit on, no, I'm still dropping on that one. All right, so W level 1, level 2 peak formation. Okay, this is not an M, remember that, but it's a peak formation, and that's a level 1. Came with a bigger stop hunt because it's because they didn't make an M, so they need to come back to hit the contracts to get the people out with a break even or whatever, and then drop it real quick. So we kind of missed with like 1 or 2 pip stop loss, but we're still holding this trade, but now it's in profit, so we're still good. So we're expecting probably here, and we'll just see how that plays out. All right, now CAD JPY. All right, CAD JPY is a peak formation low, V bottom, level 1, level 2, M formation. It's not a real good M. I don't like this, but this is kind of like a risky trade, to be honest. Like I don't mess with it. But since there's a breakout, I sold it, right? So we'll just have to see this one. If it's a scratch, it's a scratch, right? It's only like 1.5%. But if it depends, like if it's a not a clean pattern, but still a pattern, then we can still make money out of it. But you just have to wait, you know. When there is a doubt, it's never like it's right. Actually, it's like they don't play out whenever you have a doubt. So it always have to be clean and clear. All right, done. Good job. All right, now, okay. Now David Steele. All right, David Steele says, so can somebody show chart example for resets? I don't trade resets, just focus on the MMF pattern completion and write the other waves. Okay, I just studied this chart for the fourth time, but I find get it quite well because I have been using fibs for entry. Okay, I don't even know where did I left out now. Okay, here. All right, there. Okay, and so you stop 61 minutes. All right, you guys chit-chatting. Okay, right here comes my homework. All right, good job, Zuffer. Okay, so all right, what you got? Usdchf. So you're considering this as a W, and you're considering that as a level 1. Okay, let's see what I see. All right, so you have to go on a daily on that one, all right? All right, now, GBPUSD, nope, that's the first leg already. The leg that you're seeing right now is the first leg, so you can expect the price to go up. I might have to do one-on-one with you, Zafar, looks like. All right, now Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD on a daily time frame, it's still nice and dropping, but okay, not really, but here, M formation, and basically we exited right here, like right around there. So I'm expecting now the price to go up because there's a divergence. As you can see, there's a W and a divergence. So I'm expecting the price to go here. When the price goes here, then when I'm gonna sell it, okay? Until then, you're right on that one. So just wait it out and we'll just play that one nicely. USD JPY, the M formation, it's kind of a little bit iffy, but let's see, let's show you, okay? If you're gonna be watching the video, look at it. Here, basically the M formation is this peak and this peak. For you is the other one, you chose the other one. So clean that up. And then AUD USD, whoa, W level 1, level 2 and an M together? No way, that's not clean. There. That's how it's supposed to look like. All right. And Euro GBP. Yep, that's good. Perfect. Okay. And Euro AUD. Okay, W level 1, level 2. You're expecting an M. Second leg. Where's the second leg? All right, Zafar. Okay, so what you're doing is you're taking a divergence from the V, you mean the second level, and trying to make it into an M. That's not cool. You need to watch the video again, the course. Like, I don't even know what you're seeing, like, to be honest. Like, I can't even tell. Oh, you're looking at 1 hour. Oh, okay. 60. No 60. No 60 minute here. All right. All right, now Euro CHF. All right, Euro CHF. Okay. The thing is, you're right about it in a lot of ways. On the M side, if you go on a daily, you will see a lot of things. That's it. I'm going to say. There's only an M. That's it. There's nothing. So you have to wait for it to finish the cycle. So no pattern. Euro JPY. Okay, Euro JPY on a daily time scale. That's what I see. So we'll just have to wait and see if the price goes up to make the second leg. So Euro JPY right here. And you did this. You basically, again, you're basically counting the, brother. Okay, you can't count the divergence from the level 2 to the M first leg. You have to wait for the second leg of an M. All right, you're doing it a little bit wrong. And look it up the daily, kind of. It's gonna make it sense a little bit. Euro JPY. Okay, GBP CHF. Level 1, level 2. That's perfect. Okay, now GBJPY. No, CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY. All right, CAD JPY on the 4-hour time scale. Yeah, there is a pattern right there, but it's an iffy pattern. Remember that. It's a so-so 50-50 chances on that one. Okay. CAD JPY and then GBJPY. That looks good. Okay, now what is this? AUD NZD. AUD NZD. Where I'm going. Okay, now AUD NZD. All right, AUD NZD, yeah, you got that right on that one. So let's go. Usdchf. All right, so we found a breakout, we found an M, we found the levels, so we just gotta wait it out till the breakouts, okay? I can expect this to go a lot more down, but we'll just have to wait it out and see. All right, AUDJPY. All right, AUDJPY didn't follow the structure, it broke it out. So now, I mean, it's not considered as an MMM pattern, so no more trading on that one. So we don't see anything, okay, until we see something. We don't see anything until we see something, okay? Failed pattern. Okay, AUDJPY, and next is CHF. All right, where is the V? This is the second level, really? No, it's not even anything, nothing there. CHF JPY. So this is the cleaner version, and this is your, I believe this is the one that you're talking about. CHF JPY, yeah. You see how this one looks and how this one looks. This is a W, level 1, level 2. So you can expect more rise from there, okay? It's hitting that support, resistance of a level 1, support of a level 2. So you expect more to the upside. So to make it into better understanding, I'm just gonna add the chart so you guys can see it. Hold on, where did you go? CHF JPY, it's CAD, AUD, there, I believe that. You need to put like your alphabets a little bit larger because it's kind of hard to see it, or just put in like a name underneath, okay? If you're gonna watch this, because I'm having a difficulty looking at those, like which one or what. I just watched brother CAD. This is CHF JPY. Okay. So now it's AUD. No, it's CAD CHF. Okay. Okay, CAD CHF. I'm expecting a rise and a drop, and you made out of something. Level one peak. Actually, not bad. But the left side of it, it's not good. But the right side of it, M level 1, level 2 is good. So I'm not sure what. Like how zoomed in did you go in? Okay, there we go. That's where you see it. So it's possible. We'll just see. It can go down and then go back up all the way. So that's possible. CHF JPY CAD CHF, and this one is Nzdusd. Again, you're using the level 2 and an M first leg as your divergence. Please don't do that anymore, okay? You can't do that right here. So this one is an M, level 1, level 2. W, the level 1 was created, level 2 was created here. Now, if the price broke the structure, this one is a big structure right here. Right? This is a big, you can say a level 1. But if the price continues to go down, then it's out. Like basically, this trade is like too much right now. Like you can't really trade this. But if you see a lot confirmation that the price might go back up, then you can buy in again. If not, then it's not just worth it. Like seriously, it's not worth it. 0.8. Yeah, it's not worth it. Nah. NZDJPY. Okay, so we got NZD. Sorry?
Dave, can you hear me? It's Zaf.
Hey, who's this?
Zafar.
Zafar. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm checking your homework, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
All right. So basically, did you just come in?
About 5 minutes ago. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, there's a bunch of trades that I have to go over.
Don't worry, because I've actually listened to you go over a few. So.
Yeah, it's recorded on the video, so you can go back and
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
so you can understand. Okay, but
I know I've messed up with the. I'm catching the divergences on the V's and the A's sometimes, and I think that's what you were saying.
Yeah, basically the divergence, you kind of like counting from the level 2.
Yeah.
M first leg. So
that's right.
Count that. You have to count this.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Try to make that separate a little bit.
Yeah.
And the best way is to like box the M2, and then you can kind of like easily gonna see it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No. All right. Let's see, where are we now? CAD GJ. I think this is what we're talking about.
Yeah, sorry, Dave. I've sent you loads of loads of markups. So.
Right, and plus I can't see the names on them, and it's kind of difficult too. And like,
no, you're right. Actually, the quality isn't very good as well. So what I'll do next time is I'll put the actual the pair name underneath the chart. You know.
Yeah, I mean, this is fine too. It's not a big deal. It's just the name. You see the name in the background, the CHF.
Yeah, sure.
240. Yeah. Just make it dark so I can like at least know which pair I'm
Yeah.
I believe this one. Right. Hold on a minute. NZD.
Yeah, you've done that one, I think.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay. So W level 1, level 2. So level 2, you took the first leg. I mean,
yeah, I know, yeah.
So you can't do that. You have to like wait. So you pretty much from the level 2.
Yeah.
Can you see this right here?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Do you see this?
I do. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm just wondering if you do see it or not.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do with that one? Can't really tell. That's a box you made. Just take, and that's level 1. Okay, and now you took that.
That's what I did, I think. Yeah.
Okay. That's what you did. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you are right on that one, though. I mean, I kind of see it, but you see it, you know. There. Like for an example, I can do this, but this is not a consolidation to count. You can count this as a level, but once the price breaks this, like resistance of a level 1, it basically, you have to rethink of the basically whole setup. Like, okay, now is this a big consolidation? You know, it's like a big consolidation. It can go like this, and then it can just pop up later on higher.
Yeah. True. Yeah.
Okay. So from here, it just depends. It just all depends right now. It's like we might have to look at the daily candle and how it's reacting, and if it's price is gonna keep going up, we might draw a trend line. And if the price breaks above, then we can buy in.
Yeah.
And when we buy in, what are we gonna do? This might be a stop hunt. You know, this might be a stop hunt to just stop people out. But this can be a nice level 2 or a big level 1.
Yeah. Okay.
you know. But right now, since the price has broken this resistance of a level 1, so now it's considered a whole level 1.
Yeah.
But if the price continues to drop here, it breaks this support, then it's basically this pattern is just complete nothing. Like it's just nothing. Yeah, you just throw it away.
Yeah.
But if the price does go back up, breaks, let me see, clear on my drawing. Okay, if it does break this trend line, and then we can end up buying here, and then you can expect the price to go a little bit way higher, make higher highs, you know? Then you can pretty much like catch a longer, like a lot of pips on that. But I'll just clear the lines. Okay. There. So we just have to wait for the bigger structure to break. And after that, we just leave it for now. You just wait and then buy in when the price breaks above. Okay. And then Nzdusd. Okay, Nzdusd. I think you think, yeah, you got it right on that one. But there was no M though. It was a peak formation, and there was a trend line breakout. So now you just have to wait for this level to form below more, and I'm expecting the price to just stop there, and it might keep going down more, but we'll just have to wait. Because in a way, it's kind of like a head and shoulder, not really a clear one, but it is a head and shoulder right here. If you notice, yeah, like I mean, in a way, it's like not that much clear, but it is a clear one.
Yeah.
But we'll just have to wait. Gold. Okay, gold. The way you're seeing it, that's how I see it too, with gold. But right now, when you see this, you're gonna have a second thought on it. So once the price has broken, and as you can see, this is basically the level, right, where the price needs to break out, make a level, and basically the price did that consolidation right on here, and the price had there, hold on, there, and the price had made a consolidation there. Okay, so now these are two levels validation. Now there's a W at the price of 16.8 retracement, has a divergence, broke the trend line. So now there's a lot of basically confidence that the price is going to go up. But if the price stays, like for an example, within this box, okay, hits this 200 EMA and then bounces back, then it will be basically you can consider this as a basically a level 2, and then you can expect this to happen. Here, the first leg, go back up probably, and then second leg all the way to the support or something like that.
Yeah, I suppose it depends what the price does, doesn't it, at the top of that consolidation box.
Right now, we're going off of the pattern that what is see.
Yeah.
But it can play out two different ways. It can be a valid MMM pattern, or we're just counting it wrong and it's a second level. So right now we're only risking 2% to make 7.5%. So it's a good trade. But if we do, I mean, if we see the price rejecting back and coming back down, we'll just close it, you know?
That's right, yeah.
I mean, halfway you can close it, or just take a loss of 2% and wait for the price to go all the way here and buy in.
Yeah.
And that would be like the other option.
Right.
So there. There. So now XAU, all right, now GBP CAD. GBP cat. Okay, the way you see it, I see it very differently.
Okay.
This is how you're seeing it. And the W, okay. So when you have a W, you see this is the support of a W, resistance of a W, right?
Right.
So you have to, like, in the beginning, you have to draw lines, like just mark it up. This is the zone of the W. This is a resistance zone.
Yeah.
Anything happens above will be considered as a level 1.
Right. Okay. Right.
So if you drew a line right here, this consolidation zone is considered as a level 1.
First level, isn't it? Yeah.
And that's how it looks like. And if you look at a bigger structure, that kind of makes all sense.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
You know? Now it's like it's hit the perfect, as you can see, it hit the perfect. You see this? This is the resistance zone. Price broke up, came back down, buying right there. This is where I bought it too. I had a buy limit. And my buy limit was from last week. Let me see if I'm in already or not. If I'm in, that would be good. Ooh, 6350. It didn't execute.
All right.
Yeah, it didn't execute.
Right.
It missed it by like, oh my god, like half a pip. Probably.
Oh dear, that's the worst thing, isn't it?
Oh my goodness. But it's only 3.5. Oh wow, 100 up. Is it already 100 in profit?
It doesn't look like 100 pips, but
347 and then 447. Yeah, it's 100 pip.
it is. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Mm.
Oh, brother. Okay, I mean, I guess I can still get in. And then pretty much right now, I'm going to buy in right now. And then pro 2%. And then my take profit here. Okay, stop at level. Price 444. 1400. Take profit. There. So now, all right, now you guys can look at it. You can buy in. Now you're risking only 2% to make 14%. Trade. Six, 2, 7, 8, 4. Thank you. Limit missed by 3. Second. Okay, GBP CAD. I believe, right? No. Okay, there is GBP. Okay, there. There. All right. Now GBP. Okay, GBP. I believe you're no. Okay, W.
Slightly different there, isn't it, Mark?
Yeah, I mean, it's nothing wrong. You know, it's nothing wrong. It just everybody sees the pattern a little bit differently.
Yeah.
But as long as we can mark up the basically the levels, get it right.
Yeah.
And level 1 M. As an M. I mean, yeah. Take that one into consideration. But then D to yeah. I mean, you can choose this one as a level 2, no problem.
Yeah.
And this one probably doing it under. We'll just see how that plays out. And GP. GP and W to M. Huh. Counting for here. Okay, you're counting from this side, right?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
This is where you. I mean, actually, you're right. The way you saw it, right? But you have to remember that you're coming from the other side.
From the other side, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
But you didn't see this other side, right? So then you missed the whole thing, the whole play out.
Yeah.
For an example, if you consider this as a W, you're good on that one. Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah.
Level 1, level 2, and M, and a drop. But then if you look to the left, there's an M, level 1, level 2, then is a W. So there can't be two W's in the same spot. So, you know what I mean? So what you're gonna do is delete this, and then you just scroll it to the left a little bit. And what happened here? This is a stop hunt. Right here, this part is a stop hunt. Let's mark it red. And I'll call stop hunt. There. There. It's basically a stop hunt. But as you can see, it never broke the low of the W, so it's still valid.
Yeah.
And the price just consolidated for a month and then took off.
Yeah.
You know, it just consolidated there, making people think go crazy, and then boom, take off within 2 weeks. So I think that's it, I believe. Okay, then as you can see, I've done a wonderful weekend. All right. I mean, you did good, but the only part that I noticed was where you're messing up is you're counting the level second, basically second level to the M is kind of where you miss divergence.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I understand that. Yeah.
Yeah, so you kind of have to separate the M and the level second from the divergence.
Yeah, sure.
And other than that, I think you got it right. It's, the thing is how you basically learn MM. It's not how much you know, it's how much you practice.
Yeah.
And when you practice over time and do homeworks just like this, like over time, probably like in 3 months, you'll be so good at it that you're gonna be like figuring it out by yourself. You know?
Yeah, true.
Like for an example, Sadiq, I believe he messes up a little bit, but not that much. But he does it really good.
He's very good at vision.
But he's been like putting a lot of work. I see on the side. And, I mean, he's 18-year-old or 17-year-old, but he's very enthusiastic kid.
Absolutely.
He puts in his work, you know. But he does see results. And right after that, I believe Richard is good too, and you're good too. You're Zuf, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And Richard is good, and you're good as well. You're both at the same stage. Richard kind of messes up on a level consolidation. He kind of messes up on the consolidation, so he flips out on that part. But over time, he'll start to learn that too. But it all comes with practice, you know. Knowledge is good, but it all comes with practice. And let's see, anybody else?
Right, thanks, Dave. I'm just going to mute the mic now. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Cheers, mate. Thanks very much.
All right, no problem. All right, Simon, where's your homework? No homework this week, huh? Okay. I think that's about it. There's only 3 people. Sadiq. Zafar. Okay, so I mean, I think that's it. That's about it. I'm gonna try to make it short. So yeah, pretty much we finished it in an hour. Let's see if I have any questions. Just got back from the work. All right, nice. Well, I messed up a little. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna load the video. I'm gonna try to load it somewhere on YouTube, or since I didn't play any music, I think they should not give me any issues. So I'll just upload it to YouTube, and then so you guys can watch it. All right, guys. So until then, pretty much I'll see you guys next week. I'm not sure. It's because I'm gonna be traveling to India this weekend, basically this week actually. So I might not be back on next week, but I can check your analysis with mine. I'm not gonna be on my computer. I'm gonna be checking on my phone. So I might not do the webinar, but I'll check your homeworks. So feel free to submit your homeworks on the weekend, and I'll check it. But I might not be able to make the webinar coming week. I'm gonna be gone for 2 weeks. So once I get back, then we can catch up again. All right. All right, guys. So have a wonderful week. And if you have any concerns, questions, you can definitely text me, and I'll definitely help you guys out. All right. See you guys next time. Peace.